In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Canva design as a smaller PDF using the PDF standard option. This is perfect when you want a file that looks good on screen, is quick to share, and won't clog up email inboxes or slow down uploads. Start by opening your design in Canva. Make sure you're looking at the final version you want to share. Canva autosaves as you work, but it's a good habit to glance at the top to confirm that all changes are saved before exporting. This helps ensure what you download matches exactly what you see on your canvas. Now head to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. Even though it says Share, this is where Canva keeps all the exporting options, including downloading. It opens a panel that centralizes everything related to saving, sending, and publishing your design. In that panel, choose Download. You'll see a list of file types. For a smaller web-friendly PDF, select PDF Standard. This is the key choice. PDF Standard compresses images and keeps the file size down, which is ideal for emailing, embedding in presentations, or sharing online. If you've used PDF Print in the past, that format is optimized for professional printing, so it's higher quality but also much larger. Today, we're going with PDF Standard to keep things lightweight without sacrificing clarity on screens. You may also see an option labeled Crop Marks and Bleed. If it's checked and you're not planning to send this to a professional printer, go ahead and uncheck it. Crop marks and bleed are print production guides that show where to trim the paper and ensure ink extends to the edge. They're useful for press, but they add extra lines and can increase file size, which isn't necessary for digital use. With your options set, click Download. Canva will prepare your file. You'll see a brief progress indicator. Once it's ready, your browser will start the download automatically. Depending on your browser settings, it may save straight to your default Downloads folder or ask you where to save the file. Either way, you now have a compact, shareable PDF of your design. That's all there is to it. Open your design, go to Share, click Download, choose PDF Standard, uncheck crop marks, and bleed if you don't need them, and then download. You've created a clean, efficient PDF that's easy to send and looks great on screens. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your design with confidence.